So another day we're going to learn how to design on pixel art. So in this video we're going to learn how to design a POS banner that is ready to showcase a POS brand. It's being achieved using this phone app. So I would like us to subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, just subscribe to this channel, like the video and comment. So let's kick the ball rolling. So first of all, on this interface, we just scroll to the left, to a blank page. We click on it. Then after clicking on this white place, we now come to this icon at the bottom right. We just click on it. We want to adjust the size of the page on the interface. As you see this size, this is a square, so we're going to resize it to be a vertical rectangle, that is a portrait size. So we just come to this image size here, we click on it here, and then we adjust the width. The width is the wideness of the interface or the page, so the wideness will be 2 and then the height will be 3. We just click on OK. So we have already resized the page, so we can start designing our POS banner. So adding your text, we now edit it. We edit it and write our POS. Then we click on OK. We resize it. We come to this A icon at the bottom left of the screen. Just click on it to resize it. We press our size here. Increase the size. We reposition it, increasing the size. So after that, we change the color. Let's use red color. We change the color to make it look sharp. Remember we're doing a simple POS banner. So after that, we click on OK. We change the font. Let's try this. Amaranth bold. Just click on Amaranth bold. Then we click on OK. We still increase the size to make it look bold when viewed from a distance. Yeah. So we still come to this style. After this font, we come to style. To bolden it again, press this B here to bolden it again. So it's now looking more bolder. Then after we are done with this, we now add another text. So we adjust the size. Of this available. Adjust the size. Let's increase it a bit. Don't drop it here. Let's change the font. Let's use Boogaloo regular. Let's try this. Okay. Click on good. And see it. Then after that, we just change the color. Let me use blue. Change the color, and see it's now looking more beautiful. So we can still reposition these two words together. We can still reposition it. We come to this relative position. We click on this relative position, and then we position it to the center, top center here. Just click on this place. And you see it has positioned. We do the same thing here. That's now positioned. Then we lock them together so they will not move when we're editing. So let's start editing the services. We add shapes. We're going to add shape to it. We position the shape. Let's change the color of the shape. to blue. We have changed the color of the shape to blue. Then let's add radius to it. Let's make it 20. Let's make it 20. So it's now 20. Press OK. So this is where we write the services. This is where we write the services. This is where we write the services. Okay. So we still position it well. Still position it well. Relative position to the center also, so it looks professionally aligned. So we still make another copy of it, position it here, making another copy, the same thing, making another copy, the same thing. So we've gotten 4 now. Okay, so let's align each of these rectangle. We align it to the center so that it will be well arranged, giving you a professional look. Okay, so we are done with that. We just lock them all together. So what are the services now? Let's type the services. So let's change the font. Go to the font. Let's use a very nice font. Very nice font now. Let's try Roboto regular, or let's use Roboto condense regular. Just click on this, condense regular, then we click on OK. Then let's change the color to white so that the contrast will be very high. Let's change the color to white. Then we now position it. Now position the text. Position the text. So let's just make it capital letter. So it looks nice. So what are the services again? We copy this and then we edit. Subscription. So these are the common services in POS. So we just lock them together. Then after that, let's import everything that concerns the POS. Just import from gallery. So if you're finding value in this content, I would just like you to subscribe, like, and share these videos. Alright, so let's import those POS gadgets. Let's import the POS gadgets. So cropping it to the wanted point of position. Let's just reducing the size. Before I do that, I just put one here. And copy it. Go to this objects icon here, copy, and I'll put another one here. Then I'm going to reposition it. We come to this place, come to this 3D rotate this side, just click on it, then go to this Y axis here, just do it like this. It's now repositioned. Can you see it? Then we lock the items together. And let's import everything that concerns subscription and data and airtime. the rest. So adding this, we reduce the size, resize and position it here. You still reduce the size. When you see it, your work is almost ready. Let's still import more of those cable subscription like Good TV. We crop the wanted parts and then we just make it to fit in here. Import alone. Okay, so let's import the money picture of money because it involves POS. So we crop the wanted point. Then let's just put it somewhere here. So that is how the POS banner was done. So you can save your work. You save it as image. Now you come to this custom. Or before you come here, you come to this format here. You click on this drop icon here. Let's change it to a PNG instead of JPEG. Just click this PNG. Now let's see how it looks like. We come to this custom also. We click on this custom. We save it as high. Now we now save it to gallery. Image is saved. So let's check it. Okay, so this is what we've designed. So POS banner is ready for printing. So I'd like you to subscribe, share this video, and stay tuned.